Hey guys, it's Katie and I have Natalie and Allie back with me for part of our Slay the Holiday Challenge.
Woo!
And I know we've had some major things to celebrate lately. There's so much craziness coming to LSF and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. But like this time of year, there's a lot to celebrate. There's holiday parties and I know that there might be those nights where you just have a little too much fun. We've all been there. We've totally been there. So we wanted to bring you a workout that's like, you know, those like lazy days where you really can't get yourself up, but you want to do something because exercise does boost endorphins. It will help get rid of that hangover. So this workout is a lazy girl hangover cure workout. If you're ready to slay the holiday, sweat the thumbs up. We're gonna grab some ACV shots, take those. They're rough, but I promise it will help get things out of your system, moving so you can feel super great. Okay,
all right. More shots.
We got
Here
this.
we go.
I know.
Woo!
This is my ACV dance. You gotta just, you just shake it off, shake it off.
I much prefer tequila.
I know. But you know what? You gotta clear that system today.
Woo!
Okay, so let's do this. Allie, you're gonna be on the rug.
Okay.
If you guys have booty bands at home, you can grab them. This makes it a little extra. Here, booty band for
Ooh,
you.
you mean that.
And you get a booty band. You get a booty band.
Okay.
Okay. So, whether you are on the couch, in your bed, or if, like Allie, you partied way too hard and you couldn't make it off the floor, I have moves for you. And again, this is so important just to keep your body moving. It can feel like the hardest thing to do. Like all you want to do is hide completely like under blankets.
And watch Murder, She Wrote.
Ouch. Guilty pleasure. But it really will make you feel better. So you can be super relaxed. It doesn't mean like you're gonna have to get a sweat on or anything else. But we're gonna start with some marches. So with your booty bands, bring your knees just about hip distance apart. And you're gonna lift up with the right and the left. Right and left. So this is gonna work your core, those lower abs. Also, like again, you wanna get those toxins out of your body. So make sure you're drinking tons and tons and tons of water. But exercise also gets like your digestive system moving and that can help get rid of toxins too, TMI, but like it's real. So lift up, switch, good, up, and up. How's it feeling over there? That looks like a cozy rug.
I'm quite comfortable down here.
I should lay on that rug more often. Tap and lift. Let's do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Both feet on the floor. And you guys, this isn't just like for hangovers. If you're just having like a day that you feel like cuddling up and watching Christmas movies all day, like this is great to do during that time too. So from here, I want you just to bring your feet up onto the couch. It gets better, right? Get nice and cozy on your side. And all you're gonna do is place your forearm into the floor and lift your hips a little bit just to work into those obliques. You're gonna drop it down, relax. Exhale, lift it up. Down and up.
Okay.
This is when you're like, I need to reach for that remote control. Or someone
Just
hand me some
wanna, like,
popcorn.
Smack your butt.
You can. It's great to do with friends. Up and down. 4 more on the side. 3.
Is it more comfortable on the couch?
2. It's pretty comfy. Last one. And let it go. You have to like make this one a little bit harder since you like get to be on the floor just totally relaxed.
Yeah.
This one just up levels a little for you. Okay, ready? Lift up and down. My booty smack hand. And down.
You can reach mine.
And down. Good. Lift.
I'll smack my own.
4, 3.
Sounds about right.
2, and 1. Let it go. All right, drop
Woo.
those feet back down. Get comfy again. Whew.
Why am I sweating?
It's
letting out the toxins.
It's fire. You're
Yeah.
cozying up. All right, and yeah, when you have all the toxins in your body, seriously, like as soon as you start moving, they're like, get me out, they get out. So we're gonna place those feet on the floor. You can be on your toes or flat. We're just gonna open the knees, close them. Open, close. The key here is to like find that resistance. So especially if you're using the booty band, it's gonna wanna like smack them back together. Slow to close. Open and shut. Good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the knees together. Don't worry about the booty band, but just leave it where it's at. And now all I want you to do is tuck your pelvic, engage your core, just like those single legs we did. This time we're gonna do double. So you might brace your hands down, tap the toes, lift and crunch. Tap and lift, good. Good, double knee raise, toes tap the floor, knees lift up. Good, and down, and woo.
I'm
And you
feeling
guys,
it.
I know, this might feel like the hardest thing you've ever done, especially if you're hungover, but that's okay. It is challenging, even if you're not. Like,
It really is.
I'm earning my cocktails for tonight.
that's right. I love that tank, it's so cute.
It is. I think I might get it for my family this Christmas.
Your sister would look real cute
I think
in
she'd
it.
love it, yeah.
Coming for you. And the green juice, I love that the gray is like such a fun, just neutral color. Four
And you get
more.
like the double fonts.
3, yeah,
So cute.
2, and 1. Drop it down. Oh, my quad's gonna fall
I know.
out.
I know.
Hey. No, they do make such great presents, though, especially like for all those like fit girls in your life that like also still like to have fun, like Team LSF. But like it's about balance, right?
Yeah.
About balance.
Yeah.
Always.
Live in guilt.
All right.
I know. We're
Yeah.
gonna do this and then
All
have
right.
some champagne later, right?
No, not today. We're gonna do a little ab rainbow, so if you have a pillow, grab it. Just relax. This is gonna work
I'm going
more into the
festive.
obliques and those upper abs. So all you're gonna do is reach to the left, up and over to the right. And if you're on the floor, watch Allie. All she's doing is dropping her knees, and she's really still gonna work that core. Take some control, hands at the side, up and over.
I got a really good back adjustment too. Bonus.
Nice. You know what else is awesome for a good ab workout if you're lazy and on the couch for a day? Watching a funny Christmas movie like Elf, because laughing works those abs. And tap. Good. Lift. Let's do 8 more together.
I feel like I always feel better after I work out when being hungover.
Definitely.
Always.
4 more. 2 and 1. Well, yeah, because again, like it's like the only way to get that instant endorphin boost, which we all, I mean, we could use that no matter what we're doing in life, but especially if you're feeling like hungover, like your mood's kind of like, ugh, you need that endorphin. It sends new blood and oxygen to your muscles and gets everything moving. Like, it's really good. So even if you can only do 5 minutes, like do this, just this workout, you will feel a little bit better. Tons of hydration, vitamin C, eat some hearty food, like real food, not greasy drive-through food, but like a good meal, like egg sandwich with a hot buddy meal plan is like my
Yum.
favorite go-to when you're feeling a little rough.
comfort.
Yeah, it's comforty,
Yeah.
but like it's like not too much going on, so you're not like, oh my gosh, after. So anyway, it's good. All right, you guys, I hope you are feeling that little boost of energy next time you are having a lazy, snuggly, or hungover day on the couch. Try this workout out. And I want you to comment below with your favorite holiday emoji so I know you did it. There are so many awesome, adorable gifts like these cute tanks in the LSF shop, so go check them out. If you haven't already gotten your LSF Goals Planner for 2019, oh my gosh, you guys, it is so insanely adorable. It is going to change the game for your year. Go grab it. That link is down below. It makes a perfect gift for yourself or someone else too. And don't forget, good things come to those who sweat, so we'll see you next week. Bye.